Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Hi, welcome back. I'm EmRatThich. The China Super League 2023 first stage has ended. Here we have the winner for the men's team. Congratulations to Shantou Mingrun for qualifying. Congratulations to Shandong Weiqiao, Shanghai Real Estate Group, Shantou Mingrun, and Shandong Luning for qualifying for the second stage. Shantou Mingrun won the third place in the first stage of the Men's Table Tennis Super League. Shanghai Real Estate Group won the runner-up in the first stage of the Men's Table Tennis Super League. Shandong Weiqiao won the first stage championship of Men's Table Tennis Super. In the Table Tennis Super League this season, Sichuan Fenggu Liquor ranked 7th in men. And this is for the women team. Shenzhen University won the runner-up in the first stage of the Women's Table Tennis Super League. Shandong Luning won the first stage of the Women's Table Tennis Super League Championship.
林为获奖俱乐部颁发荣誉杯。有请颁奖嘉宾与获奖俱乐部合影留念。让我们再次用热烈的掌声表示祝贺。有请前市委常委、市政府常务副市长王大胜为获奖俱乐部授鲜花、颁纪念品。有请中国乒乓球协会秘书长何潇为获奖俱乐部颁发荣誉杯。有请颁奖嘉宾与获奖俱乐部合影留念。让我们再次用热烈的掌声表示祝贺。
Participating in the Table Tennis Super League for the first time, Truls Morgard was able to achieve 7 wins and 6 losses, which is not easy. Meet to beat Lin Shidong 3-0, making Shantu Mingrun into the top 4, the icing on the cake. Zhou Kai and Xu Yingbin fought fiercely on the court. Fan Zhendong and his teammates stood up off the court and gave Zhou Kai applause. Zhou Kai finally won 3-2. After the game, Ma Long led the club members to communicate with the men's table tennis coaching staff. Xu Xin has said that, "Fans and friends who follow my game, I am very sorry that I did not appear on the field these 2 days, and I don't know why I suddenly became a small person, but fortunately, the physical reaction is very small. In order not to affect my teammates, I locked myself in the room for 2 days. I apologize again to the fans who lined up to watch the game, but soon the championship and the second stage of the league will come again, and we will see you then." After tonight's Table Tennis Super League, Shanghai Real Estate Group and Shandong Luneng greet each other. In the first set of doubles, Lin Gaoyuan, Xu Haidong defeated Shuifei Xiangpeng 3-0, and Shantu Mingrun led Huang Shi base 1-0. Zhu Linfeng Yansheng defeated Zhao Zhao Yanyang Shuo 3-0. Liu Guoliang, chairman of the Chinese Table Tennis Association, came to the competition site. Ma Long cheering for his teammates, Fan Zhendong cheering for his teammates. Ma Ti 3-0. Lin Shidong, Xu Yingbin 3-2, Sun Zheng. Quan Kaiyuan defeated Sun Wen 3-2. In the third set, Lin Gaoyuan beat Xiangpeng 3-2. In this way, Shantu Mingrun defeated Huang Shi base 3-0 and qualified for qualifying. In the third set, Lin Gaoyuan defeated Xiangpeng 3-2 to seal the victory.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.